Eventually, once the weather conditions improve, that's when we start hearing all the grills firing up. As we kick off the holiday weekend and the countdown to summer, all I can think about having some food that warms the soul and cools us down a little bit. That means we have to bring in our favorite foodie guest.
Yeah, I would say the food, the best part of really any holiday. So joining us now is the ever enthusiastic TV host as well as chef Stephanie Harris UED with some delicious summer barbecue recipes. Hey, Chef Steph, how's it going?
Hey, it's going well. My favorite people. Thank you for having me back. I really appreciate it. Love you guys so much.
Chef Steph, this is what we've been looking forward to all day. It's part of getting into the summer season. It's the food that comes along with it and the fact that you can actually enjoy it outside. So you've got quite a layout there. Tell us what you made heading into the weekend.
I do. So heading into the weekend, Memorial Day is all about celebration and remembrance and community. So, you know, we always have these folks who come to our house when we're having barbecues and that sort of thing, and they're like, I don't need this or I don't need that. Well, guess what? We have a spread that's easily customizable, and we're going to start here in the South with a really fantastic Cajun red beans and rice shrimp bowl. This is fantastic. All your Southern classics. We've got red beans and rice. We've got some veggies. We've got kale. We've got collards and our shrimp. All the guests need to do is come in, scoop a bunch of rice, scoop amount of beans, add their shrimp, add their veggies, all these really delicious summer classic vegetables like bell pepper and tomato, and build their bowl. Easy peasy, no complaints. Everybody gets what they want.
And
right? Makes sense.
That looks healthy to me, so that's a good option as well.
Yeah, absolutely. So you can go less or more healthy depending on how many rice.
It's a personal choice that you're making this weekend.
Hey, I heard vegetables and greens.
Absolutely. So we're going to take things over to the Pacific Northwest and do something that a lot of us are familiar with, which is a brochette or a skewer. And here's what we're working with. We're going to go with a classic salmon skewer, easily customizable. Guests can add their favorite veggies. Like I said, spring, summertime veggies. We've got tomatoes, zucchini, all of the good stuff on this one. This easily goes on the grill. So the shrimp go on the grill and the brochette goes on the grill. Easy peasy, customizable.
You're speaking my language right there. I love the customization.
Yeah.
And like you're saying, you get to almost a little something for everybody there, as you can go different combos. Anything that just screams being out on the grill for Memorial Day weekend, that's certainly one of those dishes right there.
Okay, then you're gonna love this one because this is not just customizable, but it's kid friendly. Kids love pizza. Everybody loves pizza, okay? But flatbread is really wonderful on the grill. You're gonna use pre-made naan bread. These are the mini naan. You can use the larger ones if you want. And you sort of build your flatbread from there. We're going to add a little bit of tomato sauce. Whatever you like, anything goes, right? Then we're going to add a little bit of cheese. I'm using mozzarella. Use what you have, whatever you like. And you're going to add your veggies. You talk about healthy. Boy, oh boy. Add as many as you like and just keep the party going. Everybody gets their own. Nobody's disappointed. It's all good.
Looks amazing. Healthy pizza, healthy flatbread. We're all about it. And I can attest to the pizza on the grill. It's delicious. And
not only that, it tastes good, but it's also fun putting it together. And for the kids, too, that's like a gourmet Lunchables right there. And it tastes a whole lot better, I'm sure. All right.
Absolutely. Gives them something to do.
Yes, Stephanie Harris, UED. Chef Steph, we appreciate you being with us here on Fox Weather, chef and TV host. Thank you for those delicious recipes. That's an upgrade right there for everyone's Memorial Day weekend.
You got it. Thank you, guys.
All right, we'll see you soon.
Next time.